Looking for the best immersion blenders of 2024? You're in luck. These handy kitchen tools have been revolutionizing the way we blend since they first hit the market. With their sleek designs and powerful features, immersion blenders have become a staple in many kitchens around the world. Whether you're whipping up soups, sauces, or smoothies, these versatile gadgets have got you covered. I have listed 5 best immersion blenders that are making waves in the market. From ergonomic handles to variable speed settings, each blender offers something unique to enhance your cooking experience. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So let's dive in and discover the top immersion blenders of 2024. Number 5. Cuisinart HB900 PC. It is my top pick for best power immersion blender. This modern-style blender by a renowned brand features a detachable attachment, making it versatile for whisking and blending tasks. With a powerful 300-watt motor, it effortlessly handles various ingredients. The LED-illuminated variable speed control offers precise blending, while the one-touch button with lock and unlock feature ensures safety and ease of use. Made of stainless steel and plastic, it's durable yet lightweight at 3.2 pounds. The 5-foot cord provides ample reach for convenient operation. Whether you're whipping up smoothies or sauces, this immersion blender delivers consistent results with its sturdy stainless steel blades. Perfect for home cooks and culinary enthusiasts seeking reliability and performance in their kitchen tools. Number 4. Braun MQ5027BK. I recommend this one for best speed control immersion blender. It comes in black color with multiple speeds and a capacity of 1.3 pounds. Made of stainless steel and plastic, it operates at 400 watts and weighs 1.8 pounds. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. The VarioSpeed technology allows for easy adjustment of 21 speeds with turbo boost for maximum power. Its ultra-hard stainless steel blades and unique bell-shaped blending shaft reduce suction for smoother blending. The splash control technology prevents splashing, making cleanup effortless. With the EasyClick accessory system, you can switch attachments with the click of a button, enabling various tasks like blending, chopping, whisking, crushing, mashing, or pureeing in seconds. Number 3. NutriBullet NDI 60100. This one is the best versatile immersion blender. It's compact and powerful at 350 watts. With a manual control, you can blend at variable speeds for precise texture control. No need to transfer ingredients. It blends right in your cup, bowl, or pot. You can do a lot with it. Use the blade for batters, dressings, dips, and hot soups. The whisk attachment is great for whipped cream and eggs, and the chopper attachment handles salsas and diced veggies easily. It comes with everything you need: motor body, stainless steel blending arm, whisk attachment, chopper attachment, and a 30 ounces blending cup with a lid. The materials are durable. Plastic motor body with a soft hand grip, stainless steel attachments, and a plastic chopper with stainless steel blades. Cleaning is easy too. Just hand wash the blade, whisk, and chopping bowl lid. The chopping bowl and measuring cup are dishwasher safe. Number 2. KitchenAid KHBBV 83PA. Looking for best reliable immersion blender? This manual blender in passion red by a well-known brand offers convenience and efficiency. With a 1-liter capacity and stainless steel material, it weighs 2.4 pounds and is dishwasher safe. Blending 25 bowls of soup on a full charge, it boasts a rechargeable lithium-ion battery with a battery indicator light for optimal performance. Charging takes less than 2 hours, and a quick 20-minute charge can make a smoothie or soup. Its 8-inch blending arm with a 4-point stainless steel blade efficiently blends various ingredients. The package includes a whisk attachment for whipping and emulsifying, as well as a 2.5-cup BPA-free chopper attachment. The variable speed trigger switch provides flexibility, while a safety switch prevents accidental movement. Efficient, versatile, and easy to use, this immersion blender is a kitchen essential. Number 1. Vitamix 067991. And it is my top choice for best overall immersion blender. This immersion blender from a renowned brand comes in stainless steel color. With dishwasher-safe components, it's convenient to clean. The package includes an immersion motor, immersion wand, and owner's manual, ensuring you have all you need. Its 625 watts motor delivers powerful blending. Notable features include 5 variable speed settings, LED light display, and an ergonomic handle designed for ease of use. The scratch-resistant blade guard protects your pots and pans. The easy twist lock assembly simplifies setup. The stainless steel body blends seamlessly with other kitchen appliances, adding a sleek touch to your space. And there you have it, folks. Those were our top picks for the best immersion blenders in 2024. Now it's your turn to blend up a storm in the kitchen with confidence. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow chefs, and hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all of our latest content, tips, and reviews. Happy blending!